Hello friends, I am Champion Mahipal. Today we are going to learn about tags used in HTML. So what are tags? Tags are the codes in HTML which the browser reads and then interprets for subsequent display to a reader. The tags will tell the browser what to display and how to display. Tags are not displayed when an HTML document is viewed in a browser, but their effects are viewed. Means, let us suppose if we want to see something bold or italic, then we use the bold and italic tags. When we see the output, the bold and italic tags are not shown, but only their effects are shown in the output. Tags begin with the this sign and ends with this sign. Begins with the less than sign and closes with the greater than sign. Most of the times these comes in pair, means the opening tag must have the ending tag, but it is not necessary. Okay, so till we have knew that tags tell the browser what to show and how to show. Okay, now what are the different types of tags? First is end tags, means the tags which have their opening tag as well as ending tag. The most important or the most simple example is HTML tag itself. HTML tag has a opening tag and ending tag as well. Open tags which do not require end tags, like BR tag we will use in HTML in future. Omitted tags, the tags which are omitted by default. When we use p tags 2 times or 3 times without writing any other thing, then these tags are omitted. Or we can also say that the ending tag for them is not necessary. There are many other types, but these are the most common types of tags. Thank you very much.